Welcome back to day number 15 of our 28-day challenge. We're moving into the Tai Chi Flows portion of this challenge. And we're going to start with our feet fairly close together. And we're going to do the Tai Chi opening that is used in most forms. It is also a Qigong move called lifting water. So if you shift all the weight to your right, just mirror me. If you peel the left foot, the left heel off the floor, place it to the side, we're opening, heel down, weight 50-50, ergonomic neutral position, bottom heavy, top light, sitting in a tall chair. So we're dropping the tailbone a little bit, softening the knees, feeling supported, ergonomic neutral position. Top light, we're going to grow by increasing space in between our vertebrae, straighten up our back a little bit. So we drop that tailbone a little bit, raise the head, level the chin. Sigh of relief, ha sound, ha. Lifting water. This is like water starts to fill up the room. And as the water fills up the room, your hands float effortlessly up. And then the water leaves the room. Your hands float down. Just effortlessly floating up and down. As you inhale up and exhale down. Like a wave, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Now continue at your own pace. Your breath matched to your motion, or your motion matched to your breath. Long, slow, deep breaths. Breathing in, your hands rise. Breathing out, your hands fall. Rising and falling with your breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Keep on going. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. And if you feel safe, go ahead and close your eyes and relax more and more each time that you breathe out. Inhale, enjoy your breathing. Exhale, relax. Keep on going on your own. Matching your breath to your motion. mindful movement. Meditation in motion, which, because of its benefits, Harvard Medical School once called this medication in motion. Do a few more. You can open your eyes, continue on, and then just relax. Let your hands float down by your side. And you can shift your weight close by bringing in your foot. Thank you for joining me. See you tomorrow.